Hello crafty friends! Today I have a coloring tutorial for you and I am going to show you my second project as a guest designer for Fawnatics. If you are newbie here, I am Toth and I am making card making video tutorials. If you want to see more inspiration, be sure to check my Instagram. As I promised last week, today I will have a coloring tutorial, so I pulled out my favorite underwater glitter stamp sets from my stash and I started the process. I am going to start with this cute jellyfish. As you can see, I am starting with the darkest colors, then I am adding the lighter ones. The task for the current lawnfawn challenge is perfect for parties, so for today I have a super easy peasy project for you, which are name tags. If I want my Copic coloring to really pop out, then I make the same process 2 times. Sorry for my voice, I am still sick, but I hope you will enjoy the tutorial. When my coloring is done, I always add white highlights. Next I am going to color the starfish with the same colors, but because of the star shape I am starting from outside to inside to add a little dimension to it. I am thinking about a lawnfawn Copic coloring video tutorial series with tricks and tips, and I need your help. This would be just coloring tutorial, no card making. If you have a time, please let me know in the comment your opinion about this idea. Next I am going to color this sweet seashell with pink Copic markers. As you can see, I started inside again with the darkest color and built to the color till the lightest. For the pearl, I just used E01 and E000. I colored the jellyfish and the starfish the same way as before, just in another color. So I skipped it, but now I am going to show you how I colored the Octopi with nice and rich red Copic markers. For the coloring, I am using Nina Solar White cardstock, and as you can see, the colors blend perfectly on this paper. I am starting with the darkest color and adding lighter till my lightest, and the result is so nice. I colored the last 2 underwater glitters as the previous, but this time I used my violets, and after a quick fussy cutting, it was time to put together the cute name tags. I picked colored cardstocks from the really rainbow paper pad from lawnfawn in the same color as the colored glitters, so I will have more monochromatic tags. Because I have 8 glitters, I made 8 colored speech bubbles and 8 white speech bubbles with the Open Me coordinating die set. I added everything together like this and personalized them with handwritten names. Finally, the quick name tags are ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your crafty friends, and if you try this tutorial, feel free to tag me so I can see your creation. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you are already subscribed, ring the bell to don't miss any new tutorials. Have a happy day. Bye.